Hey everyone, this is David. I'm back again making another video, and in today's video we are going to make some Gamelan music. So the program we're using is going to be called, I think it's called Milky Tracker. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to load some of a small song, and then we're going to add to it. So let's load, and I have this two tracks so far already laid down. I'm going to play it just like this, and you can hear what the bass sounds like. It sounds pretty good for me. So we're going to stop it, and we're going to add some more music to it. So we're going to go up here, and we're going to add some more stuff. So here is where we have all the music. So I'm going to click on one of these, and then I'm going to go here. And this is what it sounds like. So we're going to record like that, and then we're going to add some music. Just like this. Just like that, and now we're going to play it. Okay. So we're going to go up here, and we're going to add more stuff to it. So we're going to go here, and we're going to go to the next instrument, and I think we had that one already, so let's try another one. That one sounds pretty fresh, so we're going to add a couple of, we're going to add some tracks here. If you want to get rid of one, you press delete. All right, I can hear it now. Okay, we're gonna stop it, and we're gonna add some more stuff to it. So we're on maybe number 5. Okay, and let's see what this gong sounds like. Barely hear it. Let's try this one. It sounds pretty good, so we're going to record this one. Sounds good. Let's play it. Okay. Stop it, and we're going to go up here, and we're going to put the next gong. Let's see if this one sounds like. Maybe that's kind of low. This one sounds good, so let's add this one. Sounds good, and now let's play it. All right, we're going to go to the top here, and we're going to add this one. Let's say, sounds good to me. And Let's play it. Sounds pretty wild, which is good. And now we have one more that we can play, and let's try this one, see how it feels. Ooh, okay, that one sounds good. Okay, let's do that one. And then so we have 8 different instruments, and we're going to play it now, and then we're going to check out the speed and see how it goes. Sounds pretty creepy, which is good. Let's speed it up and see what happens. I think I like it kind of slow. There we go. So we have a good piece here. We're going to stop it. We're going to save it as just a name. I'll call it the YouTube. I'm going to press save here. And what I'll also do is there's this disk operation, and you can save it as a wave. You're going to save as, I'm going to add this. I'm going to press record as, and this will save it as a wave file. We'll call it Creepy Gamelan. And let's see what happens. That's it. Okay. Well, thanks for watching my video. Take care now. Goodbye.